Welcome to Kidz Playhouse. Hi friends. Today let's make color instrument with these ones. Let's learn colors with this instrument. For this instrument we need cupcake pan, baking soda, vinegar, dropper, spoon, food colors and an empty cup. I'm so excited to do this instrument. Are you excited? Let's learn the colors with this simple instrument. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Now we just drop food colors in these empty cups. Let's count these empty cups. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12.
Let's count how many food colors we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. There are 12 empty cups. There are 12 food colors. Now we need to add 3 drops of food color in each cup. Now I am adding sky blue color. Let's take it now.
I am adding 3 drops of food color in.
Now I am adding sunset yellow color. Now I am adding pink color. Now I am adding navy blue color. Now I am adding black color. Now I am adding red color. Now I am adding brown color. Now I am adding trash green color. Now I am going to add white color. Now I am going to add lemon yellow color. Now I am going to add dark green food color. Now I am going to add grey purple color. Look at the pan. Can you guess the colors now? I can guess pink, red, lemon, yellow.
But we can't guess other colors.
Now we need to add baking soda in these cups. Add baking soda
On the top of the colors.
with this spoon. Yes. Okay, these colors are hiding in the baking soda. Take vinegar in 1 cup. With the help of a dropper, add vinegar in these cups. Now we can find the hiding colors with the vinegar. Yay! It's blue. Wow.
Let's drop in this.
I know you. Oh no, I don't know you.
It is orange color.
It's pink. Let's try it again. Yes, I did it. It's pink, I guessed it. I cannot get this. Let's try it again. Ew, you're not the blue color. It's not blue color. What's happening?
It is black color.
It's orange.
Oh, it's not orange, it's red.
It's brown. Let's mix it. It's green. Let's do it fast. It's a dark color, purple.
It's yellow color. It's dark green color.
This is violet color. I'm going to do one more time. It's very fun. Fun, fun, fun. This is blue. Orange. This is orange. It's pink. The bubbles are coming first like this, and the bubbles are coming. It's navy blue. The green. Oh no.
First it looks green, later it became black.
This is red color. This is brown color. This is green color. This is purple color. The yellow color. This is dark green color. This is violet color. Look at these colors. Wow, beautiful. I'll tell you all the colors. Blue, orange, pink, navy blue, black, red, brown, light green, purple,
Yellow.
dark green.
Violet.
I like this color instrument. I hope you like this video. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Try this instrument at your home. It's very fun.
For watching, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.